Hi guys. It is moving on towards late afternoon for me, and I am just going to do this one last video for today, and then I'm going to circle back and do circle graphs tomorrow. So maybe I'll be wearing something other than my black sweater for you. But anyway, I'm excited about this, and I'm learning a lot about successful videoing for you. So hopefully these are improving a little bit. So I'm going to talk about bar graphs today. They're also called bar charts. They're a graphical display of data using bars of different heights to represent categorical data. Okay, so different categories of data. So I have an example up here to talk a little bit about and to show you how they work. So our categories, well, let me just talk about the data. So here's my data table, right? And I have my grades are on the top, and numbers of students are on the bottom. And across the top I have a grade of an A, a grade of a B, a grade of a C, a grade of a D. And so this would be like on a test, okay? These are the grades that students got in this particular sample of data. So my categories are gonna be A, B, C, and D. And I'm gonna put them on my x-axis, okay? And then I'm going to use the information about the number of students on my y-axis. So as you can see here, that's what I have. And then because I have 4, 12, 10, and 2, I decided to go by increments of 2 up the side to help with my data plotting as I go along. So first, in the category of A, I had 4 students, right, that got an A on the test. And so for my bar chart, I would put a bar in here that represented the category of A and that 4 students got A's on their test. And then I would fill that in. You guys have seen these before, and I think you've done these before. And then if I look at my B on my data chart, my data table, I know that I have 12 students that got B's. And so my chart is going to be something like this for my category of getting a B on a test, okay? And C's, there were 10 students that got C's, okay? And you could color them different colors. I'm using the same color, but you could color them different colors and color code them, and maybe there was some way that you could use that in your display of data to also help you a little bit more. And then I would put 2 here for D, okay? Okay, so what you notice, hopefully, is what I said in the very first video, that was an overview of data displays, is that there is space between each of the bars for each category, okay? That's because this is categorical data. This is not continuous data that overlaps from one thing to another. Each category is its own thing, okay? So you can use bar charts to represent categorical data and give us a really good view of an overall what the data looks like, okay? All right, have a great evening. See you soon.